Definitely, yes, it's going to be a smoky air fryer T-bone steak. And don't worry because you are going to be like asking questions how smoky, but keep watching ahead because I will be showing you how. Hello, beautiful people. How is it going? It's your girl Claudia, and welcome back to my kitchen cooking with Claudia. On today's menu, we have this smoky air fryer steak, to be precise, a T-bone steak. I know you're going to be wondering, like, how smoky, but trust me, you can definitely make anything smoky, be it in the air fryer or in the oven. If you're new here, very special welcome to you. To my returning subscribers, you guys are always the best. If you haven't yet subscribed, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. This recipe, we are going to be making our butter mix to enjoy the steak with. So right here we have the ingredients. We have some parsley, rosemary, thyme, some garlic cloves over there, butter, Worcestershire sauce, and over there we have some black pepper and a pinch of salt. So I will start off by dicing or slicing the fresh herbs, then combine everything together with the butter. Wrap everything inside a transparent paper or transparent foil. Then you roll it over and make it in the form of a roll. Wrap very well. Then it has to go to the refrigerator for at least 10 to 15 minutes. So I always like to do this from the beginning so that while it's like setting inside the refrigerator or the fridge, I will be prepping my steak. So now it's going straight to the fridge. We have our beautiful T-bone steak here, so good looking. You can see that beautiful T-bone over there. And to start off, let me show you the secret to a smoky steak. Right here I will be using my liquid smoke. This liquid smoke, it gives you that smoky beautiful flavor. It's just like it, like the steak like came out from the smoker, but you are not going to be using a smoker. This is what gives it that beautiful color. So I will use that with some soy sauce. Check the description box because I will be dropping the detailed recipe on there. So just brush it on the steak both sides. Oh my goodness gracious, I can already perceive that smoky flavor. This is going to be so good, guys. This is going to be so delicious, so flavorful. I'll set that aside. For the dry rub, some Italian seasoning, garlic and onion powder. We have some smoked paprika and salt. Mix everything together. This recipe, if you have black pepper, the already ground black pepper, you can add it at this point, but I will be using freshly cracked pepper like right now. Then when I put that, I'm just going to combine or bring in the rest of the dry ingredient on the stick. I'll start by greasing my air fryer with some oil spray, transferring my steak on there. I love my steak medium rare, so I will choose the steak option on my air fryer. Then It's going to air fry for about 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes each side. And after that time, this is how beautiful it's looking. I'm just going to flip the sides, then apply more oil spray. Like I said before, I'm using cooking oil spray, canola oil to be precise. Then let it go again to the air fryer, 360 degrees Fahrenheit for another 8 minutes. And after that time, that is how it's looking. So beautiful. Oh my goodness, that flavor is something else. Like that smoky flavor is just like it's from the smoker. You know what I'm saying? Is so beautiful, guys. This liquid smoke, you can use it for anything you need. I'm just going to transfer that onto my plate, then bring in that my butter mix from the refrigerator. That's how it's looking right now. I'm just going to slice it, then spread it all over my steak. Then I will be cutting the steak to see how it looks inside. And join me, you're going to eat with me, because I will be eating this steak from start to finish with you all. Guys, this is so good. Like the outer part is going to be a little bit of well done, but the more you cut and go like inside or in the middle, that's when you will have the exact doneness. You can see that now. I have a beautiful medium rare, so good looking. This is so flavorful, guys. Thank you so much for watching. You can see I'm enjoying my steak. It is so yummy, so juicy, so flavorful, so tender. Everything you can name it. Look at that, the butter mix. Oh my goodness. So guys, I hope you got to try this recipe and you'll thank me later. So bye for now, and keep trusting my recipes, and please stay safe. Bye bye.